5 साल का सफर, एक नई कहानी का जश्न। हिट टीवी शो अनुपमा ने कंप्लीट किए अपने 5 ग्लोरियस इयर्स, जहां पूरे टीम ने मिलकर किया ग्रैंड फेलिसिटेशन। रूपाली गांगुली, अद्रिजा रॉय, राजन शाही और कास्ट ने मनाया ये गोल्डन माइलस्टोन ढेर सारी यादों और खुशियों के साथ। तो आइए डालते हैं इन पर एक नजर।
तो मैडम जी क्या बोलती है? बिजली गिरा
Namaskar, pranam, hello, adab, sat sri akal, and good evening to all of you wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Anupama Wale present here. Star Plus, Shumanta Da, Deepak ji, Ajay ji, and the entire team Star Plus for making this evening so, so, so special for all of us. हम सब यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं, इकट्ठा हुए हैं एक चैनल को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए नहीं, एक प्रोडक्शन हाउस को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए नहीं, एक शो को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए नहीं, बल्कि उस इमोशन को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए जिसने पिछले 5 सालों से सिर्फ इस देश में नहीं बल्कि विदेशों में भी कई सारे लोगों को जोड़कर रखा है। और कान्हा जी से यही प्रार्थना है कि अगले सालों साल तक ऐसे ही अनुपमा जो एक इमोशन बन चुका है वो लोगों को ऐसे ही जोर से जकड़ के रखे, अपनी पकड़ बिल्कुल भी ना छोड़े। तू 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 सो इस खास अवसर को और भी ज़्यादा स्पेशल बनाता है हमारी खुशी आज 5 गुना बढ़ जाती है, क्योंकि आज हमारे चैनल, मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ मेरा चैनल, राजन जी कहते हैं उनका चैनल, हमारे चैनल को यानी स्टार प्लस को 25 साल पूरे हुए हैं। तो 25 साल के स्टार प्लस 5 साल की अनुपमा को साथ लेकर चल रहे हैं, इतने प्यार से संभाल के, उसके लिए बहुत 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 थैंक यू। एंड आई हैव टू ऐड ये 25 साल हमारे लिए, ये पड़ाव जो है ये हमारे लिए बहुत ख़ास है, क्योंकि 25 साल पहले राजन जी ने हिम्मत की थी इस बदमाश लड़की को टेलीविज़न में लॉन्च करने के लिए। उनका पहला शो था 25 साल पहले और मेरा पहला शो ऑन टेलीविज़न था 25 साल पहले। तो स्टार प्लस के 25, राजन जी के 25, मेरा 25 और अनुपमा के 5 और 25 क्या और कई सारे सालों तक 50-100 साल तक अनुपमा चलती रहे, हम रहे ना रहे अनुपमा चलती रहे। वेल, जैसे सृष्टि की शुरुआत माँ ने की थी, तो इस शो की शुरुआत भी एक माँ से हुई है और माँ से बढ़कर इस दुनिया में कोई और इमोशन हो ही नहीं सकता। सो थैंक यू दीपा आंटी फॉर मेकिंग अनुपमा, फॉर बीइंग such a backbone to अनुपमा। और यू आर द पर्सन जिन्होंने 82 को न्यू 22 बना दिया है। मतलब if somebody can break barriers, somebody can break the mental shackles, कि आप कोई उम्र नहीं होती एक नई शुरुआत करने की, तो सबसे बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन आप हैं जिन्होंने at the ripe young age of 82 एक अनुपमा जैसे शो की शुरुआत की, जिसने हर घर में, हर दिल में अपनी एक जगह बना ली है। So thank you so much for teaching Anupama how to fall down, rise and walk again. जो अनुपमा का सार है, जो अनुपमा का दिल है, वो आप हैं दीपा आंटी। So thank you, thank you. I think everybody knows what Anupama means to me. मेरे लिए Anupama is my papa's dream come true, my mother's dream come true. It is my mother and father's blessings. It is my husband's wish for me that I get my due recognition. It is ये शो मेरी चाह नहीं थी, ये मेरी ज़रूरत थी। और इस शो को मैंने शायद इतनी ज़ोर से मैनिफेस्ट किया था कि भगवान ने इसे राजन जी के ज़रिए मेरी झोली में डाल दिया। So Anupama is self-worth, Anupama is self-love, Anupama is self-confidence for me. And जो बहुत मुश्किल से मुझे जीवन में वापस मिला है। Thank you. मैं जितना भी thank you कह लूँ कम होगा आप सभी को। And so the first person that I would like to invite on stage is somebody जिन्हें मैं बहुत प्यार से दादा बोलती हूँ। बंगाली में दादा सिर्फ is not just you don't just address somebody by calling him dada, but I mean it as an elder brother जिन्होंने मुझे अनुपमा के ज़रिए हमेशा प्रोटेक्ट किया है, गाइड किया है और हमेशा साथ खड़े रहे हैं। कभी-कभी डांटा भी है चश्मा न पहनने के लिए।
Rupali talked about saying that today is not a celebration of a production house, it's not a celebration of Anupama, today is a celebration of emotion. I'm going to differ with her here. I think today is celebration of Rajan Shahi. So 5 years back when Rajan, and I always say this story that 5 years back when Rajan came and he pitched this show to us, it was not a sales pitch. It almost seems like a mission. He said this is a story of every homemaker in this country. The heartbeat of that needs to be felt in every frame. So Rajan, we knew that we are not creating a show, we are creating a movement. The next thing, I want to say a couple of two more things and not make a very long speech. The first thing I want to say that we keep on hearing about that people have low attention span, they are distracted, they have got a lot of reels going. Do you know how many hours of Anupama content has been consumed by Indians? 981 hours. 981 hours of content as of yesterday has been consumed by India. Do you know monthly how many viewers come and see, unique viewers come and see it in Star Plus? It's the population of UK. 6.5 crore people. The population of UK is 6.9 crore people. 6.5 crore Indians, monthly unique users view Anupama. So this is such a landmark. This is not a show. This is a movement. And thank you, Rajan, for creating this for us. Thank you, Deepaji, for creating this for us. The second thing I want to say, whenever I come to your set, I feel this is not a set. This seems like a family. And Rajan told me once that if my people whom I work with are happy, then the happiness will reflect on screen and the audience will feel the happiness. Such humility and such leadership makes a person create a show which is a movement like this. And the last thing I want to say that we keep on referring to Anupama as a show. Let us not demean the impact that this show has created to every homemaker, every woman, what it has done to her self-worth, what it has done to her identity, what it has done to her relationship, how it has defined the norms and pushed patriarchy back. I think it is such a cultural movement and an impact that this has created. So, Rajan, we are here to celebrate a landmark, but I think 5 years we are just getting started. Rajan keeps on telling me that he's going to keep on producing this show for the next 10 years. We were just talking about this. 15? Okay. But I thought Rupali said 50, right? I'm not sure I'm going to be alive to see this history, but yes, why not? India loves it. The data that I shared with you completely gives us belief and confidence. What a great thing that we have created together. So on behalf of Plus, I want to thank you.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Shumanto sir has spoken so much and so highly. So ab thoda sa pressure aa raha, now we have to live up to it more because you've been very kind with your words, sir. And thank you. Just I'll take people back to memory lane. When we were discussing this concept in the beginning, I always say this, sir gets embarrassed about it, but I should mention. Because उसके पीछे एक बहुत important word है जो I think मेरे और मेरी company और हमारी पूरी team के लिए सबसे important होता है, Hi Coffee, is the fact that there was some, I think some seniors always test you at times, you know, when you, they might say, oh, this is not good. So they will test your confidence in a project. And that is something happened. There was somebody who, in a very high up, had little reservations. I think today in a very positive way, it was a way to test our conviction and faith. I remember Shumanto sir going there and, sir, I'll take the liberty of saying this, because it has never happened in my history as a producer or I've heard as a director. Shumanto sir took the whole onus on himself and said that if this show doesn't work, I will resign and I will not. But he took very big onuses that time on this show. अब जब वो बात हुई ना, मुझे और pressure आ गया. Remember, I had got so psyched. I said, sir has taken the entire responsibility, having faith in us. What if the show doesn't work? I remember those 2-3 days, they were all very worried that, sir, don't get psyched. I spoke to my mom also. But, so what helped us there? What kept us going was that faith. And that, I feel, is the biggest boon, especially a broadcaster can give to makers and to creators like you, is that faith. And that has stood the test of time, 5 years. I think, sir, we have seen together this child growing, Anupama, ups and downs, competition, no competition, good times, COVID times, bad times. But what has stood has been your unwavering faith, support, and that whole, I think that onus which you give to us, and that pep up talk, and and I disturb you with all my songs. But मैं जानता हूँ ना कि हमारी जर्नी एज अ प्रोडक्शन हाउस हमेशा रही है विद द ब्रॉडकास्टर हु गिव्स अस दिस फेथ स्पेस एंड दैट रिस्पेक्ट and that I think is a mark of Star Plus, that faith and respect they give to producers, to creators and makers, which I can openly say in this platform I have not seen in the other channels, frankly. And I'm always blunt about these things. जो इज्जत राइटर्स, क्रिएटर्स, डायरेक्टर्स, मेकर्स, एक्टर्स को स्टार प्लस देता है, वो उनके पूरे कल्चर में है, पूरे उनके वो है, द इंटायर टीम्स, एवरी पर्सन गिव सो मच ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट. सो आई ऑलवेज टेल देम that working in Star is like going in a Mercedes. Because जो इज्जत कहीं बाहर मिलती नहीं है ऐसे. I've seen the industry 35 years. I have to always put this as a disclaimer. So sir, thank you again for keeping that faith and always giving us the freedom to communicate with you, and so collaboratively we sit down, and discuss things, talk, agree, disagree, but सबको अनुपमा से बहुत प्यार है. So thank you sir for this amazing. And one more thing, that last year in Star Parivar, the biggest recognition and respect which I got, mom got, entire teams got, sir, unparalleled. I remember 3 years, Uday sir had done this with us, and that motivated us to do more for Star. 3 विशेष सम्मान जो उदय सर ने दिए थे हमें, वो हमारे लिए एक ऑस्कर बन गया, and that big diamond Swarovski thing. So yesterday, last year, what you and your teams did for us, no sir, it's for me 10 times bigger than an Oscar. It's my lifetime achievement award, sir. And it is, I keep on telling my mom and my team, जो gesture Shumanto sir went out of his way with his entire teams, everybody. So वो शॉल पहनाना ना, वो इतनी बड़ी इज्जत है, और वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जो आपने सर हमारे कंधों पे दी ना, sir, it has never happened before to us. And we are so emotional about it, no? So that is my, that one memory which I will cherish, that it is my biggest honor I've got. And of course, my dear, I call him friend, Deepak. We've seen so much, I think more than 20 years of association, kind of a thing. So the kind of faith, the freedom, the talk, the ideas we exchange, we talk, मुझे लगता ही नहीं कि I'm talking to the business head of Star, a feeling of transparency and the respect, and that he has inculcated that entire feeling of respect, honesty, straightforwardness, and collaboration with his entire team. And I think that's a hallmark of a great leader who empowers others, and tells, okay, you also give your ideas, you give your thoughts. So I think, Deepak, we've had great journey. Thank you for being there for me, for Anupama, and hoping to create more milestones on Anupama Rishta on this show. And of course, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, and I'm being again very upfront, मेरी बहुत लड़ाई झगड़े चलते हैं चैनल्स के प्रोग्रामिंग टीम के साथ, because it's a creative point of view वो चलता है. And I'm telling you, first time, we all discussed that internally by writing that, Deepak, your team, like Ajay, such a great person, we have our disagreements, we have that, but itni respect, itna सारा वक्त दिमाग चलता रहेगा उसका अनुपमा के लिए. So इतना अच्छा लगता है, the team which you have got, and from Ajay, your teams working with you guys like Riya and Anurag, brilliant, yeah. Thank you, because touchwood, I always tell sir, कि I am blessed that इतने सालों के बाद with all the ups and downs, fights with X, Y, Z, finally एक सुर बैठा है with the perfect thu guys with the team, and they take my idiosyncrasies, take my mood swings, whatever you call it, so tactfully and so respectfully. Thank you guys. वो अच्छा काम इसी से निकलता है, थोड़ा वो जो सनक जाती है कभी-कभी. So thank you guys, great. And Riya, I must say that you should be a part of Anupama. I think you are better in front of the camera. What I was telling Shumanto sir and Deepak, amazing, yeah? Yes. No, we want that big support there also. And of course, the entire team, there are so many people. Shavik Da, I think I saw Shavik Da. Thank you, sir. That collaboration, that excited when we narrate promos to you, we have the marketing teams with you. Arnab Da also I saw somewhere. Arnab, hi sir. So what I've loved here now, which I think, Shumanto sir, you have created that thing now where like a makers, writers, everybody will sit together as a family. आपको मानना है नहीं मानना, बट वी शेयर आवर एक्सपीरियंसेस. ये बाहर नहीं होता. So thank you guys for giving all the support. Every department of Star, 25 years, 2,500 years more to go. And thank you for being the biggest support. 18 years, by God's grace, our company has every day delivered 18 years to a channel, to a broadcaster. I have not seen the records. I'm a little superstitious about it. But 18 years consistently to be a partner, I think more than 18 years, without a single day's break. I think that's a great marriage, I would say. So, last from Star, I would just like to say is one person. I have the maximum respect for him. That is Sandeep Jain ji, the commercial head. What a human, what a person. जो हम बात करते हैं हमारी कंपनी, हमारी इंटेग्रिटी, वैल्यूज, एथिक्स, मतलब उनसे इतनी इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है. बिकॉज अगेन बीइंग इन दिस पावरफुल पोजिशन, व्हाट आई रियलाइज अबाउट द स्टार टीम, दे आर सो हम्बल. Of course, they are strict at times. They'll scold you at times. they'll be angry at you at times. And that's so good because we are in a very collaborative in a marriage. Again, starting from the great core team, the pillars of a company, Arif, Vivek, Ranjit ji, and Rumesh, who stood like a pillar, and their teams. I think the beauty of Anupama has always been the beautiful writing. I think that's a soul. We all add to our things from direction, everything. So the great writing team and Namita, that new texture which you got in writing, you know, and I think which Star always recognizes and gives you that respect कि वो एक नया sur of writing. I remember showing the first 4 audition mock shoots we had done, and Shumanto sir said, put it as promo. This is the best texture. I said, sir, वो location भी same नहीं है. हमने रिश्ते प्यार के set पे किया था, but he said, put it. So that texture, that sensitiveness, that comes from a very good heart, Namita. Keep that. We all love it. You know, you have the biggest support of Star, everything. So, touch wood, thank you, gratitude. And of course, भावना जो हमारे कंपनी की कल, आज और कल consistently delivering variation of shows from a Ye Rishta to an Anupama and creating a texture and always being there 24/7. And again, Divya Prajita ji, thank you for the amazing, amazing dialogues which have become sensational and amazing. Of course, a person who's always been a guide to us, consultant to us, Zama sir. I don't think he's come today, but he's been always a great, great support to Anupama. And of course, our Manali, our ideation head, who will come with all these ideas, thoughts, ye karo, wo karo. But thank you again with all your study on rituals, everything. So the writing team, thank you so much. Creative team, Indro, thank you. I've been wanting to work with Indro since years. Ask him. So many times, Vivek, we have called him. But one of the most experienced, gentle, sensitive, hardworking, has no shortcuts in life. Sometimes I tell him, jaldi kar dena yaar, 2 घंटे में दे दे. He said, no, every word he will read, do, and you've been a great asset to Anupama and taking it forward. Sanyukta, thank you so much. And there are some people, I'll go to the other teams now, but people who gave us a home. Archana ji, Vinod ji, I think they create, like you said, ye family लगता है, set नहीं लगता है. That is because of the vision of Vinod ji, Archana ji, who have stood like pillars, given us our best sets and the best people to work with in terms of honesty, integrity. आप 100 दो, वो 200 देते हैं. ये लिख देना वहाँ. नहीं, seriously, I'm telling you, मैंने क्यों respect करता हूँ ना, because you don't have to bother. When I work with some people, you have to monitor them, you have to say, यार ये क्यों करो, 2 चीज़ें और डाल दो. By God's grace, I don't know why, of course, they've given the best, I feel, to every show they give, but I think the soft corner DKP के लिए बहुत है इनका, और मेरे लिए personal तो बहुत. वो 100 चीज़ें एक्स्ट्रा छोड़ के चले जाते हैं आपके लिए. आप एक सेटअप की बात करो, बोले विनोद जी घुस गए ना, फिर वो किसी की सुनते नहीं, अर्चना जी की नहीं सुनते, जैसे मैं आप लोगों की नहीं सुनता, आरिफ, रंजीत जी, विवेक. So that's thank you. And some people like the costumes, Deora Saab, Rajendra Dera ji, Ritu ji. My first show as a director when Rupali was there, they were the people who stood by me for the costumes. Day, night, I used to be sitting in the studio. वो हीरोइन के दुपट्टे के लेस को चेंज करो 10 बार. They remember the horror stories. But now also consistently always being a pillar to us for all our shows of DKP. Great costume, Rajendra Dera. Rajendra ji hai? Ah, Ritu ji, thank you so much. And of course, Nisha, one of the best stylists, amazing team to work with. Thank you, Nisha. And Mansi Manoj ji with their amazing jewelry, look, styling, वो भी beyond जाते हैं. उनको हम मतलब 10 होगा तो बोलेंगे 50 रखो. So वो जो इतने प्यार से वो दिखता है, वो जो प्यार जो मिलता है इन सबसे everybody. And of course our director Romesh Kalra, the series director, and Romesh's entire team, Romi, Abhay, Sunanji, Bheem, everybody, thank you. The great DOP with them, Gulshan and his entire team. And two people again who have again been the pillar of our company, who have stood with me during direction days, and the team which has stayed together for the last 18 years, our editor Samir Gandhi, and your entire team, Sunil Kanodia, entire production head since around 20 years, and of course Sonu, I don't think he's there, but Sonu and your entire, hi Sonu, your entire teams, thank you guys, you rock in the way you edit and everything. Of course our art department, Nikhil, thank you for your great setups, your great teams, thank you so much guys. The entire teams, you know, if I missed out somebody from a sound, say a hairstylist, our makeup, every department, our background, you know, Sargam, Nakash, I think एक best team DKP के साथ जुड़ी है, and thank you guys. And mainly our unit, our workers, हमारे जो workers हैं, उनकी दुआओं की वजह से आज हम यहाँ पर हैं. Thank you. और एक बड़ी अच्छी बात है कि जो 18 साल पहले जो हमारी कोर टीम आई है, चाहे वो टेक्नीशियंस की हो, चाहे मेन टीम मेंबर्स की और हमारे दादा लोगों की, वर्कर्स की, they are the same since the last 20 years. Their families have come, everything, so वो बरकत उनकी वजह से है. So thank you to the entire team, and of course now coming to the cast, thank you to the entire Anupama team जो 5 साल से हैं, और जो नई family आई है, thank you for adding to it. It's very difficult to get on to a running show and take it beyond. And to the entire cast, thank you to everybody, all our vendors, technicians, and of course, I'll say to my mom, Deepa Shai, for being the co-producer, and thank you for always being there and giving us the guidance and वो जो बोलते हैं ना एक माँ की दुआ. And my sister's first event she's ever attended of our company in last 18 years. It's the first time she's come, so that makes it special from Delhi. And Ishika Shai, of course, my motivation. Thank you guys. And to all our babies, and Abhi, I think to coffee everybody. And thank you guys. I will go on till 10 and you'll be looking at your watches. ठीक है? Thank you guys. हमेशा मैं कहता हूँ, आपने शुरू में भी सुना होगा, ये शो खाली रूपाली गांगू के लिए लिखा गया था. It was destined. Probably before we even thought about it, it was written for you. And thank you, Rupali, for being Anupama not only to us, to everybody's visionaries, but thank you for being. दुनिया भर में जहाँ जाता हूँ ना, हमें बहुत ज़्यादा इज्जत मिलती है और सब कुछ मिलता है. when I take, अरे अनुपमा मैं प्रोड्यूस कर रहा हूँ, अरे रूपाली गांगुली से मिलना है, अरे मैं मिलाता हूँ. Wherever I go, recently we were in Tokyo, where there was a Gujarati, very nice group people going. हमें कितना ढोकला खाने को मिला, कितना first आप जाइए, अरे रूपाली से मिलना है, मिलाते हैं. So thank you Rupali, gratitude, thank you for being our Anupama, and you'll always be our Anupama. And thank you to Ashwin and Rudansh, of course, and your love for the babies. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my God, there's so much learned from him and so much more to learn from him. A lifetime of loyalty, hard work, honesty, friendship is what I promise you, Rajanji. And thank you, Shumontada, for the kindest words. I just take off for my family holidays. And for that beautiful AV, thank you. Thank you, Ajay ji. Thank you, Deepak ji. Thank you, Anurag. Thank you, Riya. Thank you, everyone. And thank you to Team Anupama, the fantastic team.
I don't know, एक बहुत conviction थी, which sir can vouch for it, कि एक इतनी conviction थी कि I remember जब एक थोड़ा सा, I think testing time आया था. Sometimes people on a very senior level test, like I said, your confidence and faith when they question it. Will it work, not work? Let's do it early prime time. All those things come, करें भी कि नहीं करें. तो sir का जो faith था ना, and I remember telling one thing to sir also, that Shumanto sir, that sir, I'll never come to Star with another show, and this is quote unquote, if this show doesn't work. एक पता नहीं क्यों एक कॉन्फिडेंस था जब कोविड का टाइम आया था, देन द शो वाज स्टॉल्ड फॉर अ बिट बिकॉज देयर वाज, यू नो, हाउ द इश्यूज ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग, वी couldn't get so many units, but Anupama was not in the list at that moment. But what changed in the mind, they said let's get Anupama right now, and touchwood we were all so happy, and touchwood thu.
There have been so many moments, but my favorite moments are the ones where my family, of course, feels proud of me. But when he messages, he rarely messages. He never says like, my
Appreciative messages
father
rarely.
would never like say anything. अगर कुछ अच्छा करे तो कभी नहीं बोलते थे, पर कुछ बुरा किया तो सबसे पहले आके बोलते थे. And that's so much like him. And तो वो कभी कभी आ जाता था कि वो थू का मैं वो मैसेज का वेट करती हूँ. लेकिन कभी अगर इनसे कोई मैसेज आ गया कि what performance, तो बाप रे बाप. That is like, those are the moments that I cherish. Of course, shooting, this has become a family. 5 साल से, I think they have all been झेलोing me, and I have been loving them. And विवेक को सबसे ज़्यादा तंग करती हूँ, गुल्लू को और सारे डायरेक्टर्स को परेशान करती हूँ राइट प्रोफाइल के लिए, इंद्रो का दिमाग खाती हूँ, नमिता को भी फ़ोन करती हूँ, काय असं चाललंय, असं काय चाललंय, तो that goes on. And I have successfully troubled literally every person in the unit.
इसकी
My
क्या
most
पीछे
favorite
का?
scene will always remain that one, where after getting to know about Vanraj and Kavya, and then Devika takes me on the cliff, and we shot that at Film City, Raat ko. And that scene will always remain my eternal favorite, where Anupama screams, and you know, then the changeover happens from there. How she gets a grip of her life. So that was one, that scene is something I will never get over. So if I have to show one scene to anybody from Anupama, that would be the scene always first. Of course, there are many more after that, but yes.
आई थिंक एक तो ये शो माँ की कहानी है, बहू की कहानी है, दादी की कहानी है, बीवी की कहानी है. बट आई थिंक व्हाट इज़ नाइस अबाउट इज कि हमने शुरू से, विच थैंक्स टू द राइटिंग टीम एंड द क्रिएटिव टीम, हर कैरेक्टर को बहुत बहुत 360 डिग्री ट्रीट किया है. कोई ब्लैक एंड वाइट नहीं है. हर बारीकी से रिश्तों की जो बात की जाती है, दैट एड्स अ, आई थिंक बहुत अच्छा एक बोनस है शो का. Brilliant performances, brilliant writing, brilliant execution, direction, editing. I think एक texture जो शो का create हुआ है ना, and I think ये माँ की कहानी, एक औरत की कहानी, हर दिन एक नया challenge है. मतलब वो स्टोरी ख़त्म ही नहीं हो सकती. वो हम थोड़े चूक जाएंगे या थोड़े से मतलब कम दृष्टि के होंगे अगर हम एक माँ की कहानी, एक औरत की कहानी, हर दिन एक नया रूप बदलती है. You know, बच्चे होते हैं, बच्चों के बच्चे होते हैं, उनके बच्चे होते हैं, और वो माँ का कभी सोचना, ध्यान करना, डर सोचना, परेशान होना, वो कभी, स्पेशली हमारे इंडिया का जो एक टेक्सचर है, तो कहानी तो बनती जाएंगी, हमें बस ढूंढना पड़ेगा हर दिन एक नई कहानी. बिकॉज ह्यूमंस ग्रो एवरी डे ना.
मुंबई से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट.